Hi, I'm Ram. Welcome to Meditate with Ram. Today let's look at a 5-minute dopamine detox meditation using the RAMA mnemonic. Beginning by finding a comfortable position, sitting or lying down, letting the body settle. Taking one deep breath in and exhaling out of the mouth. Allowing the mind to arrive in this moment. We'll be moving through the RAMA method together, a simple way to interrupt the pull of dopamine chasing and return to clarity. Bringing to mind now a small urge we've felt recently. Maybe the urge to check our phone, refreshing an app, or checking for messages, the news, maybe escaping a moment of boredom. Just remembering what it feels like, recognizing it, noticing how an urge appears in the mind as a pull, an automatic command. Seeing if we can locate the emotion behind it. Is it boredom, anxiety, loneliness? There's no right answer, just recognition. Simply noticing the spark that begins the habit loop. This is the first moment of freedom, training the mind to recognize. Now gently accepting the presence of this urge, silently saying, there is an urge in the mind, letting it be here without feeding it, without following it, allowing the urge to exist and breathing into it. Creating a small pause, a space for choice to appear. Take one slow breath in and out through the mouth. Simply choosing a gentler response, a moment of grounding, a moment of clarity. Now looking directly at the illusion. The mind tells us the urge must be followed, that relief is waiting on the other side, that checking, scrolling, or refreshing will give us something we need. Now noticing the truth. The urge is only anticipation, a prediction, a ripple in the mind. There is no real reward behind it, only a brief moment of stimulation followed by another urge. Seeing the urge clearly, seeing its emptiness, seeing that it has no command over us, and now letting it go, simply choosing not to follow it, watching how quickly it fades when it isn't being fed. What felt solid becomes transparent. What felt urgent becomes still. What felt like a command reveals itself as a passing whimsy of the mind. Taking one slow final breath and releasing it through the mouth. As we end this practice, noticing the quality of our mind now, a little clearer, a little calmer, a little more spacious. The RAMA method is always available. Recognize, accept, minimize, and abandon. A simple sequence that grounds us. In our own time, gently opening the eyes and continuing with the day with clarity. If you enjoyed this meditation, please consider liking and subscribing. Your support truly helps. You may also wish to join a very small group on Patreon in exchange for early access and exclusive goodies, meditation timers, binaural beats, and much, much more. Thank you very much. Go well in peace.